Hi all, I shared a picture recently of a puppy showing the whites of their eyes, and that we know now is a sign of stress. So another thing that puppy was doing is a slight lean away. So it's really, really subtle, but it's just a sign that they are not enjoying and they're trying to disengage from what's going on. So it's really important to look for in your dog, are they leaning into the situation, which suggests that they're probably enjoying it and want to be involved, or are they maybe just subtly shifting their weight away from whatever it is? And that's a subtle sign that tells you that maybe they're not enjoying it and finding that a little bit stressful, and so they want that to stop. So it's really important that we look out for these really subtle signs.